Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer acquisition from Airbnb to Vrbo. To successfully transfer customer acquisition from Airbnb to Vrbo, begin by assessing your current Airbnb listings. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of your Airbnb profile. Identify key features that attract guests, such as amenities, property type, and location. Gather data on your most popular listings, noting occupancy rates and guest demographics. Next, create a comparable Vrbo profile that highlights these successful features. Ensure that your property descriptions are optimized for Vrbo's audience. Utilize high-quality images to showcase the unique aspects of your property. Once your Vrbo profile is set up, adjust your pricing strategy accordingly. Research local competition on Vrbo to understand market rates. Consider using dynamic pricing tools to maximize bookings. Link past reviews from your Airbnb profile to build credibility on Vrbo. Encourage repeat guests from Airbnb to book directly through your Vrbo listing. Utilize social media and email marketing to inform previous customers about your new listing. Create special promotions or discounts specifically for those transitioning from Airbnb. Leverage Vrbo's advertising and promotional tools to reach a wider audience. Monitor your Vrbo performance closely during the first few months. Adjust your strategies based on guest feedback and booking trends. Engage with guests promptly and professionally to build a positive reputation. Continuously update your listings to keep them fresh and appealing. Maintain an active presence in Vrbo owner community forums for support and insights. Evaluate your overall performance regularly and be open to making changes as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.